Hello everyone and welcome back to our video. Today, as I previously told you, we are going to move to Canva, which is free website that works similar to Photoshop. So, in order to go there, what should you do is go to Chrome or Google or any explorer and click and search for Canva and press enter. And you'll see that there's in the first section there's Canva, and you can just click this and you'll be taken to this place when you're first time. So if you want to sign in or log in, you can click on log in here, or sign up if you haven't used it. So it's my first time using it, so I will sign up, continue with Google, or other way I have Google account. I use my account, continue, and there we go. Easily we have connected to the Canva. And now we can use this Canva application or website. So first you will see that we are on free level. So if you want some more tools or like that, you can use Pro, but I'm not going to use it. And let's start by creating a new project. So to create a new project, just you can click on create a design, and you can choose between docs, whiteboard, presentation, video, Instagram post, poster, flyer, document, logo, resume, Facebook post, and your story. There's lots of it like this, but the first thing we're going to do is whiteboard. So when you click on it, you'll be taken to this like your design tab. So first you can, when you create it, there'll be a panel like this asking to share this design. So if you want, you can share, but I don't have anything else, so I will click on other empty places to get out. And then I can press take a tour if you're first time, so I will tell you take a tour and drag an element anywhere out through the screen. So it says you can drag and drag out, and you've got a nice thing to use, like you can add text here, or you can also use the text heading or like this, or other things, pre-made ones, even brands. But this one is pro section, so you can use it. You can also upload your image or video by pressing upload files. This one, draw, you can even draw anything you want, so I can use this to draw like this red pen, yellow highlighter, or eraser to delete. You can also bring other projects, so you can open other projects or designs, and there's also a few apps you can use to help this. So there's some parts that is better than. So there's some more other tools, but I'm going to tell you later on. And let's look at another panel. So we're going to talk about upper panel, which is file. We'll call this menu tab. So menu tab has like open menu, which allows you to open or other create a design, even your own files, like you can import or export or change the settings like this, and you can even resize or magic switch, undo and redo, and you can save it. And you can even add a text here, 1 2 3, boom. And as I showed you before, there's also sharing, which you can press this to add your friend, or you can just press the share button to share with other friends. Okay, and there's even Canva assistance right here. Click on it, and you can do anything you want, such as basic write, how do I do, text, how do I add a box, text box, share, how do I share, or you can even get some graphics for yourself. You can even bring photos for yourself like this. There will be assistance for anything you need. There's also this extra panel which gives you notes, so you can enter what should you do if you're sharing or you're co-working with other partners. You can even show timers, how many minutes left until we end, and even you can zoom in or zoom out. You can even change the view of this, full screen, and even asking for the help. This is an AI, so I can ask help for him, such as how do I use Canva well, how do I create my custom text, like this. So if we are done with this, let's go to the next section, which is movement. So movement in Canva is quite similar to the Photoshop. So you can scroll to move up and down, control scroll to zoom in and zoom out, and you can press shift and then move your scroll to move right and left. Yes, it's a really similar function, similar thing to the Photoshop. So you can be not get confused by using different things. Okay, so we've looked everything we have in Canva and this workspace. So let's go to another one, create a design. Let me create a document this time. So in document you have something to Google Docs, similar. So I can start by typing GLTC Canva, and I can write descriptions like that by typing other things, such as one, creating a logging in, creating, writing, like this. And you can even look at this ones, which has Canva Sans. This is font, which is basic font of Canva, and you can press this and change it, or you can even add your own brand fonts, such as if you click try for 30 days, but you still need the Canva Pro. But you can still change headings, subheadings, or like that. This is textiles, and you can go to font, and there's tons of fonts you can use. So if you want something special, you can also use the pro section, but we're just poor users, so we'll use this normal thing. So let me see. I think Horizon looks good. It's Horizon logging in. So you can also change the size of it by using this font size button, plus and minus, like this, and even text colors. Even if it'll be bold, italic, or underline, or middle line, strike through, you can choose here. Also, you can choose the alignment of this, such as middle, right, left. Even the number list, such as number, first dot, or numbered, or just checklist, or the just normal thing. So you can choose anything you want, but I'm going to be using number. There's also indents, decreasing or increasing indents between this, and there's even spacing, letter spacing, line spacing, and you can even copy styles here. As you see, you can copy style here, you can paste it here. You can use this as much as you want in the ways you have. So let's look at some other informations as you go here, open this templates menu, there will be background, one page, resume. So there's lots of doc templates that you can use. So if I use design brief, so I have replaced design with new templates, so I will let them replace mine. So boom, I have become like this, and I don't like this, I don't really like this, so I will let me look at another one. One pager, you can add like this. No, I want some document templates. Let me see all the templates. Oh, travel to the list. Oh no, and when you click anything you want, there will be more like this, so I will use this one. This one looks good. Yes. And I will change the name GLTC, and you can just customize anything you want. And if you want to add something, you can also use this all resort thing I have. You can add like this. Boom. And I've added this, and I really want to change the text. And this time you can double click to edit, which will lead you to this panel, and you can double click and change GLTC cadet. Like this, you can change as much as you want, as long as you want. You can even resize this star or animate it if you want. So rise like this. If I save, this will be as I changed. Nice. So let's go to another one, elements, which is something like this. You can add tables if you want, charts you want, graphics you want, or you can use AI image generator, photos you want, videos you want. Let me add a graphic. Let me see all. I think this feature looks nice. I like it. Let me add this working person, smaller. I like it. Then let's go to brand, and here this is also pro. Upload, you can upload projects, you can open other things, and the rest are the same. So let's go to the next section. So as you get through this, what do you think? You think Premiere Pro is better or Canva is better? There's lots of pros and cons of this. As pros of the Canva is free and anyone can use easily, but it is not really that nice in other things, such as creating own design or other creating, like taking out the backgrounds like that. But in Premiere Pro, in Photoshop, you can do it easily. Okay, let's go to next one. Create a design, maybe this time video. So you'll be taken to here, and you can edit the video right here. I'll show you. So let me add some preview video of this. So let me use this one. You can drag and drop here in the timeline, and if I turn this on, yes, I want to change it, double click and change it, such as GLTC. Also this one, not this one. Welcome. You can change it as well as you want. If you have other things, you can do it. So okay, this is pretty nice. I like it. It is as I wanted. This time let's add the thing we want. So if you have your own video. For me, I have some video of taekwondo, and here it is. Wait for me again. I can drag and drop it here, and boom. You can resize the video. And Canva really works well with the videos also. So if you want to add something, you can do it like that. You can change as much as you want. So let me see. GLTC, welcome. You can move it and rescale it like this to importance this part only. Let me crop the different part. You can press crop and you can either select other places like this, press crop and here. So let me let you know about other things. So in design, you find other things such as this, templates, elements. You can add other elements from like audio here. Let me add a drop on audio. So it starts like this. And you can even use the preview videos like this. Add the graphics. And even draw such as like this. Yes. And rest of them are same. You can even upload it here or record yourself. And that's all all we learned till now. So what we're going to do is now we're going to get deeper for each section of our things. So these three are the main things we usually use in Canva, and we're going to be getting deeper to create each one for every lesson. So for dog, let's start with the dog. So let me write a letter to the my friend. The letter title will be invitation for end of year party. Yes, I think this much is enough. And let me add some photo. Like this. Resize it. And let me use some templates. Let me see. Maybe invitation. Birthday invitation. I think this looks good. Replace. Oh, let me just copy this and use this, and then we can change the letter. And what we can do is we can use this copy style, click, paste, and click again, and then paste, click again, click, paste, indent, dear school friends. Thank you so much for celebrating with us on our party day. Lots of love, GLTC cadets. Okay, nice. I can change this by double clicking, inviting, maybe, save. Okay, let me add some elements here, this one again, and I will do this. I will just use expand the full width to make it fit, maybe like this. You can duplicate it, but I will not. Let me add a border using this. Before that, let me crop it. So you can press edit photo, and you can add some effect or like that. First, let's use crop. So click on this crop, and you can crop the image as you want, but right now it's perfect for me, so I'll press enter. Done. Press done, and boom, my border has finished. And again, edit photo, and I'm going to add some, I will add some filter. Let me add some vivid color. No, fade color. This looks good. And then I'm going to change the intensity by dragging this for the filter like this. This much is enough. Effects, let me add shadows such as glow. No. Drop shadow, angled shadow. Looks good. Let me change the size. Blur amount. Angle will be this much. Distance will not change. I'll leave it. Curve this much. Rotation this much. Intensity, I'm going to decrease it. Okay, good. And you can also add some blur effect. Let me add blur effect for this outside surface. No. Let me remove blur using this tool. I'm going to increase the blur size. Add some blur like this. Nice. And if you want to remove some blur, you can use remove blur like this. Well, I love the way it is, and I'm just going to remove some parts only. Nice. You can also remove blur whole image like this, but I don't recommend this because as this brush type is already good. And also there's other effects such as autofocus, face retouch. Let me show you autofocus. Autofocus changes how the focus position will be, so it scans through your image and choose where to be focused. And you can blur other parts. You can use this instead of blurring one by one. Face retouch, I don't need it right now, and this is let me do duotone. Duotone can change the color such as classic, mono, sepia. I will use sepia and decrease the intensity again. Boom, boom, we've got a nice image. You can still use adjust to adjust everything such as temperature of the image, tint of the image, brightness of the image, contrast of the image, highlights of the image, shadows, whites and blacks. You can control it, vibrance, color, saturation. You can even color edit. You can even change the texture such as sharpen, clarity, vignette, like this. I love this, and you can even use auto adjust, but I don't love this, so this is all. If you're done, press this edit photo again and you'll be out. And let me add some border to it by clicking this border style. You can add this border, just straight line or dotted line, or like more dotted lines. Let me use this one, border weight. I'm going to increase this a bit. Corner rounding, I think 0 is the best. Alright, and then you can use this flip to flip horizontal or vertical, but I don't currently need it right now. So this is for the image part, and let me just resize this like this again and put it here, maybe here. Yes, I love it. And let me add a table here. So table is used for like Excels like that, but you can use in this part or so, such as are you coming? Yes, no. And you can just create some list like this. So let me change this a little bit longer, and let me just use this color. You can also add the colors for each one. I'm just going to give color to this part, which will be pink, and I will just use border. I think one inner border. I think this still all borders right. Table spacing, you can also use this, such as this. And there's even other options, so you can use it well. So for me, I will just copy style here, paste it to here. Wait, paste it to. Okay, I can do this. So you can just do anything you want. I will just adjust it as much as I want. So you can click this 3 dots at the end and merge it using merge, and it will be made as one. Are you coming? So I want to delete this row. So then you can select this tool by shifting and then click delete 3 rows. No. Click only one, and then delete row, or like that. I think only 2 is enough, so yes and no. We also need this, delete, or you can expand or add, so to as you want. Is on your choice, and you can even translate it by clicking translate text, and you can change the language of it. So Arabic if you are sending it to Arab person, and boom, it's easily translated and usable for everyone. And now let's go on to charts. So chart is one of the easiest thing to use. So chart, so you can add a series such as let me change it First, when you click on it, the data will be here and you can change it here. Labels will be, the name one is yes, two is no, and the third one is maybe. So item one will be to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Friday. I think this much is enough, and there'll be 10 yes, 5 yes, 7 yes, 2 yes. No will be 21, 2, 1, 5. So as you see, this get adjusted, and you can use clear data to finish this. Let me expand the data table so you can clearly see right now. This helps you well. I'm going to also adjust the maybe is 2, 4, 3, 1. Okay. You can, if you want to change these rows and columns, you can press swap rows and columns. Then boom, you can easily change the days and yes or no or maybe. Let me delete the series, and this looks very likely. Yes, I think this one is better. And then close it, and you'll see that yours has been changed. Boom. And you can even change the setting here, such as labels, Sunday, or like that. Change the labels, values, show legend, show labels, show grid line, and even you can swap the rows and columns here. And you can even add data or like this by using Google Sheets or upload as CSV. Okay, this is how to use this, and you can even change as line chart or like this by clicking here. I will use line chart, I guess, but line chart is not the best way to represent this, so I think a type of bar chart will work here. Let me change it. Oh yes, maybe pie chart will work. Yes, this looks really nice, and boom, we've got a nice table. And let's look at the next one, AI generator. So you can generate your own by clicking this button, and you can add more than 5 words such as graduating, party, inviting, letter, lovely, like this. And you can change the styles such as anime, filmic, photo, dreamy, watercolor. I think filmic or anime is good. Aspect ratio, I think square is very good. So, but to use this, you need this credit again. So you have to be in this pro mode if you want to use and create lots of it. But it's still enough for us to use few images a day, but if you want, you can use that. So either generate total 4 images for you, and boom, I've got a nice thing. So I love this everything. I think this one is the best. I'm going to drag it in. Boom. And you can still use the same things we learned in photo. And let's go to graphics. I'll bring it here. Okay, and for the videos as the last, so let me bring some videos for graduation again and put it inside. And you can even, and now you can even edit the video here. Click edit the video, and you can add some filters, and there's also a tool, but this needs pro, so maybe epic or festive CO. You can do warm, I think solar, the blues. I think the blues is good. I'm going to turn the intensity a little bit down, and I'll go to adjust and warmth up, tint a little bit cooler tone, brightness I will decrease it, contrast up, no, down, highlights down, shadows up, fade, no, we don't need fade, vibrance up, saturation up, X process down. This will make some nice texture, and if you don't like it, you can press reset directly. I like it, so edit the video again, and boom, it's done. You can even cut the video by pressing this. By dragging the edge of the video, you can shorten the video, and then press done when you're done with it. And you can even add a border style or flip, or use online or audio if you have audio like this. So this was how to use this, and let's go for the next one. So let me create a folder for this. So as I know, I don't want my file things to be nasty and dirty. In this case, you can use folders things. So you can use start or create a new folder. For me, I'm going to use both. So start. So the start things are not there, so create a folder. For the name will be GLT's tutorial. You can share with somebody you know, like that. Continue. And you can save it here by going hover over it, and there will be checklist, yes. And you can press move to folder to move your thing to the folder. So I moved my folder right now, and you can even bring some of your images and things like that to here, and you bring it out, take it out anywhere you want. It's like this. I have GLT's Canva 1 to 3 best works, invitation to end of this, and I'm going to use move to folder, GLT's tutorial, move to folder. This works nice, and I have 4 items right now, and you see here, and I can directly open it by double clicking or use the templates like this. So you also have the things that you can also see the things used in each of that. Or yes, I can even add this whiteboard to here, and you can add it here, and you can pre-create anything you want and add it right here. So let's review the things we learned. So first we'll learn how to use Canva. So deeper we learned how to create a new project, how to use docs, and we just previewed how to use whiteboard, how to use video editing. And this was the things we learned today. But later on, we are going to get deeper and deeper with these things. We'll use Canva as much as we can with all our strategies, and it will be great. And you can use Canva as a free on the website, so feel free to reach out, and this will be uploaded next week again, so you can use it as much as you want and learn from us. So thank you for watching today's lesson, and see you in the next video. Bye.